In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Zendesk is a fantastic tool for managing customer support tickets, and one very effective way to streamline your workflow is by setting up auto-assignment rules. Let's dive right in and get this set up together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the settings. In your Zendesk workspace, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings section. Once you click on the gear icon, you will be directed to the admin center. From there, look on the sidebar for the option that says Objects and Rules. When you see that, click on it. This will expand additional options under the Business Rules section. Here, you'll want to select Triggers. This is where the magic will begin. Now that we're in the Triggers section, the first step is to create a new trigger. Look for the button labeled Create Trigger. Go ahead and click on that. You'll now need to fill in a name for your trigger that clearly describes its purpose. This helps anyone who looks at it in the future understand what the trigger is for. Additionally, you can add an internal description if you want to provide more detail. Don't forget to categorize your trigger appropriately in the organization category before moving on. Once you've named your trigger and added your description, it's time to set some evaluation conditions. In the Conditions section, click on Add Condition. This allows you to define the specific criteria for your tickets. For instance, you can select your target property. Let's say you choose Requester. After that, assign an operational condition rule and a verification value that will determine which tickets should be affected by this rule. Now that you have your conditions set, let's move on to configuring the assignment action. Scroll down to the Actions block and click on Add Action. You will see a drop-down menu labeled Ticket Category. Here, you need to set the property value to Assignee. This tells Zendesk what to do with tickets that meet your earlier conditions. Next, it's important to select the recipient for these tickets. Click on the Recipient drop-down menu that appears after setting the property value. Here's where you'll pick the exact agent or perhaps an internal support team tier. For instance, you might choose an agent like Vimal Kumar, but of course that depends on your team's structure and the specific needs of your support process. Finally, once you've set your recipient, you're almost done. Don't forget to click Create Trigger at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it activates your brand new auto-assignment rule. And just like that, you've successfully set up auto-assignment for your tickets in Zendesk. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently your team operates. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you liked the video, please remember to subscribe for more.